Hey, quick update here on my basement renovation. Let me show you what has happened. The big thing that's happened in the past week is that big hole in our slab in the basement where we opened it up to replace a lot of the plumbing drain lines, the old cast iron now is replaced with PVC. This week we got the concrete put back in there. And the week before, of course, we got the perimeter drain put in. We've got the plastic up the walls. The concrete is back in over that, and that's all doing really well. Got some window issues to look at though. Let me ask you about that. Okay, there are 4 windows down here, 2 in each of the 2 rooms on the 2 sides, 2 over there, 2 over here, and it looks like the one on the right here and also the one on the left on the other side was an afterthought. It looks like the masons did the block properly here and left it open at the top for it to be framed in. But on this side, you can see they broke the block on the sides and cut out the hole after the masons had put all the CMU in. And now we've got kind of a mess. So we're gonna replace the windows. I gotta get those out. And you can see that this block right here is loose. So it's resting on top of the window. That's not a good thing. So we need to get some support for that. I've got some ideas, but let me know what you think.